Hello, yes. So this is another area of Fairmont Park, still the same picnic area, but another section. Um, the drone is offline, and I can see a clear area view of Center City, the skyline, and also the trees around Fairmont Park. Uh, I think this is close to Georgia's Lane, off Georgia's Lane, but I've forgotten. This should be somewhere in the Belmont Mansion area. Yeah, so um, it's a nice view of Center City. I love this view. So this is the drone view. So you can actually get some nice pictures from your drones based on what you want to do with it. If you, like I said, if you're doing graduation, or you're doing wedding ceremony, you're doing burial ceremony, or whatever thing you're doing, you can actually have those area views of drone. But before you fly, make sure you have your license because there are some things you should know. And before I forget, it costs $5 to register at the FAA website. I think $5 for every 3 years for the recreational drone. The commercial one is still it's more expensive. Requires a lot of different type of certification. But once you start with the recreation, you can go commercial whenever you're ready. So here's the area view of Center City, just some few miles away from I-76. Nice view, and then you have people chilling in the parking lot, and in the park. So different families with different activities. A nice place to chill. And I see people with different kind of businesses. Can't really mess with them. So just come there and do your thing. So the drone is so clear. It's a 4K resolution. I really love it though. Love the feed that I get from the drone. I wasn't so sure exactly how the picture would turn out, but it turned out great. I wasn't expecting it. So this is a nice view of Fairmont Park. And if you're doing a ceremony, then you can definitely use it. So I was trying to check out the cameras. I think from the drone actually hitting the tree, the camera kind of bent, so I can't really get the camera to bevel. So it's a defective drone now, so I'm just waiting for the new one to come. And the drone is completely inoperable. I tried to fly it I think some few days ago. I could not get anything, so the drone is done. So yes, more views of Fairmont Park, beautiful scenario, and nice scenic view. I think that's the Belmont Mansion right behind me. Yeah, and sometimes you do have some games, some different sport activities going on on this section of the Fairmont Park. But I don't think they're having anything now. Just people chilling, having a nice time, doing whatever they like. So it's a nice view. And this is the beginner mode, and so it has the height restriction. I think 1,000 meters, and when you start your drone, it gives you the structure, the warning that it has to be able to go up 1.5 meters. But I didn't get that warning when it hit the tree, so that was kind of a defective product, I should think. So I don't want to mention the manufacturers, although I promise not to talk about them until when I get my drone. I'll give them a good review at least for sending me another one. So this is cool. I love it. A nice view. Families packed around, having a nice time. So it's a nice place to chill and have a nice time. Yeah, pretty much the flight around Area 1 picnic in Fairmark Park, and we got it, 4K quality pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow me and like me. Drop your comments if you have a drone and you have experienced something or you want to share it with people. You can drop your comments. You're very free to do so. We just want to make sure we're leaving a positive comment, not a negative one. So thank you very much.